Hey guys, welcome back and here's another tutorial. This is how you can use your WhatsApp account on your computer without installing the WhatsApp on your computer. To do this, head over to browser on your computer and type in address bar WhatsApp web, and then you search. You click on the first link over there and the website will generate a QR code for you. Then you go back and open your WhatsApp and click on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on link devices, and then you click on link a device, and then you click on use mobile data, and then you scan the QR code to connect your phone to your computer. So yes, we are logging in. So it is organizing my messages. Okay, as you can see, I've logged in, opened my WhatsApp on my computer successfully. This is my profile. I can show you to confirm. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. This is how you can open your WhatsApp account on your computer without installing WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Till we meet, peace.